Today we will talk about ship design maximum braking load. Now earlier when we were doing brake rendering capacity, that is the brake test of the winch, brake rendering capacity. Earlier it was brake holding power. Now we are not using this anymore. We are using brake rendering capacity. So earlier this was done after knowing the maximum braking load of the mooring line. Let's say it was 100 tons, and taking 60% of that, 60% of maximum braking load, which is a 60 tons in this case. So the BRC was calculated at 60% of MBL or 60 tons. Means at 60 tons weight on the mooring lines, it will start paying off. The purpose is that it should not break, it should pay off. It will break at 100 tons. But nowadays, for last 2-3 years in new buildings, instead of calculating 60% of MBL, now we are calculating with 60% of ship design maximum braking load. That is this. This will be given on your mooring plan for new building ships. It is something like SWL only of the mooring equipments, that is your fair leads and Panama lead, etc. So whatever MBL is given in the mooring plan for new buildings, let's say 100 tons. So you take 60% of this instead of taking 60% of the braking MBL, that is the braking load of the mooring line. Instead of this, you take 60% of ship design maximum braking load. Now if this is 100, 60% is 60 tons. So your brake rendering capacity should be calculated at 60 tons. Now let's do one more topic, and that is air draft. How to reduce air draft once ship is already alongside. Now if the ship is already alongside and you want to reduce your air draft is from the vertical distance from waterline to top of the hatch cover. So this distance. So if you want to reduce this, you can ballast, but if you have already taken full ballast, you don't have any more tanks to take ballast, or you want to reduce the air draft quickly, so you can consider listing the vessel. For example, if your vessel is starboard side alongside, this is the main deck, starboard side, port side, this is the water line, this is the air draft. So you can consider deballasting one of the port side tanks, preferably midship tanks. If you deballast midship tanks, you will get the list more fast. So you want to list to starboard. So finally, even if you get 1 or 2 degrees list, this air draft can reduce by 1 meter to 2 meters. So the ship will become listed to starboard, and this will be your new air draft. Like if this was 20 meters, you might come to 90. So this is one way of reducing air draft quickly.